This DVD serves up nearly 2 solid hours of non-stop classic propliner action and classic heart-pounding Boeing 707 and DC-8 action. In the late 80s and early 90s, Miami International boasted the world's largest collection of classic propliners and vintage jetliners. For decades, Miami was the undisputed classic airliner mecca, attracting aviation fans from all over the world. Miami aviation slide photography legend Eddy Gual documented all the smoky action on video, and this DVD highlights the best of those now treasured memories. The second hour features loud and smoky DC-8 50s, a 61, DC-8 62s and 63s, and plenty of Boeing 707 action. Viva Miami! And a special thank you to Eddy Gual for bringing us this truly amazing footage.